and thanks for watching Love the Mouse Travel. We are staying in a 3-bedroom grand villa at Disney's Old Key West Resort. This is a Disney Deluxe Villa Resort. We're in building 49, and our grand villa is 4922, which you can see right here. All grand villas enter from the 2nd floor, with the exception of one that is handicap accessible in this property and enters through the 1st floor. So if you're looking for a grand villa at Old Key West, that is a specialty booking category, the handicap accessible grand villa. All others, you will walk up 2 flights of stairs to your entry. And here's our front door. We're going to use your magic band. And welcome home. You can see my kids have made themselves quite comfortable. This is the entryway. You can see the front little entryway, place for your keys. And you'll notice there is a pretty big staircase going up to the 2nd floor, but we'll start with the kitchen area right through here. This grand villa offers a full kitchen and laundry room. You can see we already have some laundry. We just got off the Disney Fantasy. But great for groceries. Nice large dining room table area. Seating for 8 and a couple high chairs if you need them. And you can see this, it's all a very open concept, going right into the family room, which is 2 levels. My children are relaxing, watching old Mickey. But nice seating area out here. This couch opens up to a queen-size bed, and that chair opens up to a sleeping area as well. Beautiful deck with an overhead ceiling fan. Nice area at night. Most areas at Old Key West overlook some sort of golf club, golf area. See a little duck down there? This has a lot of foliage, which is nice though because it means a lot of nice shade. But you can see the deck area is quite large, which is beautiful. This door opens into the master bedroom, and these obviously go back to the family room. You'll see over on that side is the upper 2nd floor where the 2 other bedrooms are. And this gives you a nice view of how big this family room area is. And it especially seems quite big with the open ceiling to the 2nd floor. All right, so we're gonna go over here and show you the master bedroom area. Here's a bathroom. This is the 4th bathroom, full bathroom with shower down here on the main floor. And here's the master king bed, little seating area. Got your television right in here. So you can see lots of storage. The bathroom, the master bath, has a beautiful jacuzzi. Large closet area. Double sinks. Shower area. Glass shower area. And then toilet right behind this door. Separate toilet area. Hello. So we'll walk back out here. It's another view of that jacuzzi tub. So this is on the 1st floor. So master bedroom on the 1st floor, extra bathroom, full bath, and living room, dining room, and kitchen. We'll go up to the 2nd floor. Has some little beach decorations. And the second floor is very bright, lots of windows. And this is the second floor corridor. First bedroom is right here on your right. Television, 2 queen beds. Again, full bath, shower, closet area, and another closet area right here. And a vacuum if you feel ambitious. The closet area is pretty deep. The other one enters into that as well. So nice big bedroom here. This is actually, in our villa, this is the smaller of the 2 bedrooms upstairs. We'll go across the little walkway. This one enters the entryway. And on this side is down here into the family room. And this is going into the second bedroom. Again, 2 queen beds. This room is a bit larger in our villa. It depends on just the setup of your villa. But this one is the larger of the 2 bedrooms upstairs. Again, offers television, seating area, large closet. There are pack and plays, multiple pack and plays, and bathroom area. Hello. And that's it for this bedroom. So that's kind of a walking tour of the 3-bedroom grand villa at Disney's Old Key West Resort. Really nice space, especially if you're traveling with extended family or have a lot of kiddos in your family and would benefit from the washer and dryer, multiple bedrooms and bathrooms, full kitchen. Really nice place to stay. Thanks for watching. Love the Mouse Travel.